This is the advertisement of Group 1. Uy, sino nakuha sa bulletin ko? Ma, isa na lang kayo bulletin ko, kay.
Ay, kuya, mahal tanong. Print mo ba na may size ka? Dalawang insi ko ba? Dito lang yun. Huwag na lagi ko daw.
Uy, kita ko sa iyo, ma.
Ito, sino mo? Adjunct ka na?
Oo. Ah, sabi?
Pero, tag-insi o dalawa.
Jeez.
May mahal na G's tapos tayo tikin sa dalawa. Hindi dapat ginawa ko
Oh, di tatlong insi. Tatlong insi mo ba? Ihatag ko na lang po. Tatlong insi. Amin. Amin. Pala, ang mga
Hindi mo kwarta. Hindi ako kwarta yan. Wala ka tinga ka kwarta. Grabe. Judgmental ka ha. Gawin sa iyo. Hindi ko ba? Hindi ko
Oy, si Mary na bawal tayo. Uy, balik na.
Wala kang bakal.
Bakal na lang siya, oh.
Wala ka kami. Wala ka. Hoy, wala niyo.
Abi ko tatata.
Bigyan natin ng buwan ng barangay pa! Barangay pa! Next, surrender!
Sige naman. So, class, before ko i-dismiss ang klase, iatagpuan sa inyo ang inyong exam. So, maka-bulapit siya sa, exam mo kay Nubo-Nubo, ang inyong scores. So, si Labado, 12 over 50. Si Tanggit, 15. Si Cortez, dahil na natabo sa iyo, na 16 ka lang. Si Carmel, 23. Si Miguel, siya lang din ang naka-perfect siya. Hindi ko ba lang panugin mo niya siguro. Ikaw niya ang answer sa principal's office. So, sige na, pwede na kang mag-recess. So, congrats, Miguel. Set kayo perfect ka. Mag-study ka kaya ha.
Nagi puro bigat ang granyo ng mga perfect ko.
Wow! Bright ka lang. Bakit ka ilog?
Grabe ka mo ha!
Di yun na. Bago. Tawas
mag-promote ng kanyang product. So, thank you, Gigi. Okay, so, are you ready for our quiz?
Yes!
It is the 10 items multiple choice question. Okay, so, we have 1/4 sheet of paper. Yours is, ano ito siya, times
Estudyante kayo ng game.
1/4.
10 items times
Graduating na natin ang kuminado.
Graduating.
Audrey! Wala, Audrey!
Okay? Are you ready? Wait lang. Okay, number 1. Bukas na nakasulat ng pangalan. Okay, question number 1. Bilisan na lang. Okay? So, it is the practice of managing the flow of information between an individual or an organization and the public. A. Advertising. B. Public relations. C. Direct marketing. Or letter B. Personal selling. Okay, I will read it once kasi makikita niyo naman sa TV yung question. Right? Okay, number 2. So it is an oral communication with potential buyers of a product with the intention of making a sale. A. Personal selling. B. Direct marketing. C. Public relations. Or letter D. Sales promotion. Okay, done? Let's proceed. Number 3. So Athena talked to Stephania, a real estate broker. So regarding the condo unit she wanted to acquire. So Stephania, on the other hand, explained to Athena about the benefits of acquiring a unit in Jessica residence. So what promotional tools did Stephania use? So we have here A. Personal selling, B. Public relations, C. Advertising, or letter D. Sales promotion. Okay. Next, number 4. Okay, so the ZJA Corporation sponsored the marathon race during the annual fiesta of Dumaguete City by giving out their special energy drink to the runners. So what promotional tools did the CJA Corporation use? Okay, A. Direct marketing. B. Sales promotion. C. Public relation. Or letter D. Advertising. I'm sorry, yung D yung advertising lang kasi. Okay, done? Number 5. So, KPA Supermarket conducting mid-year sale of all the products. So, what kind of promotional tools are they using? A. Direct marketing. B. Sales promotion. C. Public relation. Or letter D. Advertising. Okay, are you done? Let's proceed. Number 6. Mayana Herbal Soap was flashed during the noontime TV show. So what promotional tools did the company use? A. Direct marketing. B. Sales promotion. C. Public relation. Or letter D. Advertising. Next, number 7. So it is a planned process to influence public opinion through sound, character, and proper on mutually two-way communication. Okay, A, advertising, B, public relations, C, direct marketing, D, personal selling. Bakit naka-open ito?
Subo mo na realize mo.
Number 8, na-judge niyo ang pronunciation. Okay, number 8. So it is the process of persuading a potential customer to buy the product. A, advertising, B, public relations, C, direct marketing, or letter D, sales promotion. P9 na. So it is the use of consumer direct channels to reach and deliver goods and services to customers without using marketing middlemen. A, direct marketing, B, personal selling, C, public relation, or letter D, advertising. Last item. So it uses advertising to build up customer demand for a product or service. A, full promotional strategy. B, full branding strategy. C, push advertising strategy. Or letter D, push marketing strategy. Okay, are you done? Wala yan dito. Okay? Kindly pass your papers forward. So ako na lang yung mag-check ng isa sila. Kasi parang wala na tayong time. Okay? Pass your papers forward without standing. Okay? So now, before we proceed, let's go back to our objective first. So, everyone, did we define promotion